Look at the logs. So many logs. The only kind of log I do is log into your YouTube account and subscribe to Hungry for Wandering.
Bye.
That was good, right?
Yeah, okay.
High five. Good morning, guys. It's currently 7 a.m. and we are about to go hiking. I am sick and my allergies are really bad right now. And
Is it allergies?
I think it's mainly allergies.
I got Cepacol, Advil, vitamin C.
We got a nurse over here. She's all ready. We're gonna go hike at Ricketts Glen, which is 2 hours away. I've been here before multiple times. They have really nice waterfalls. This is gonna be May's first time, right?
Yes.
So we're excited. We haven't hiked
Ever
together, right?
Ever. Because you hate the outdoors.
I don't like the outdoors as much.
Well, neither do I, though.
This is a little bit out of our comfort zone.
Out of your comfort zone.
My comfort zone. No, it should be fun. I did this a bunch as a kid with like all the other guys. So, babe, you bought me a Lamborghini?
Happy birthday!
You got me a Lamborghini for my birthday. Thank you. Oh my God, there's another Lamborghini. What the hell? You got me a second Lamborghini?
Is it really?
That's the second Lamborghini you got me today.
Wait, is there something going? Oh wait, there's a car show today.
Oh, you got me all those cars for my birthday?
Yeah, they're at the car shop right now.
What happened?
This is why we can't go camping.
Why?
Because the bathroom stinks.
We made it to Ricketts Glen Park and we're about to go start our hike.
Let's see how far Pat makes it.
What are you talking about? We are now one with nature.
Something we don't say.
Little does May know we're doing survival of the fittest.
Bye.
We are gonna stay here for 24 hours and we're gonna see who survives. I think I got this.
Doubt it.
What do you mean doubt it? I'm already bored and we haven't seen the first waterfall.
This is basically like us going to the mall, but instead of shops, it's grass.
Look how nice that looks though.
I know. You want to skip rocks? This one's a good one.
Yeah, I get a flat.
Good.
That one. Okay,
All right.
Oh, it just went all the way over there.
I didn't see it.
What do you mean? It did one and then went all the way to the other side.
No, you have to do it again. One.
Stop.
Put that one in the video.
No.
And then you fall through.
Already backflips get views. Just kidding, I already used that joke. Wait, did you see that? Slender Man.
Where?
There.
So many rocks.
Wow, that's nice. We made it to the first big falls. What's wrong with you?
I'm hungry.
You happy now?
We made it back.
We finished.
Finally.
We finished the whole entire trail. I'm just kidding. We
went 1/4 of the way, right?
We went almost, yeah, I think
Yeah.
1/4 of the way. We just got really hungry.
So now we're gonna go to Knoebels and
Which is a theme park that we went to as kids.
yeah.
We never went
Not together,
but
yeah.
we used to go as kids and it's only an hour away from here on the way back home. All right, we'll see you guys there.
Bye. There, yay. Welcome to Knoebels.
First stop, food. We got a pork barbecue sandwich, pierogies doused in butter, and fries with ketchup, salt, and vinegar, and coleslaw.
About to enter the haunted house. Where's the seatbelt? There's no seatbelt.
I'm scared. Babe, put your shit around me.
Oh my god! Whoa!
I'm not looking, I'm not looking.
You have to.
I'm not you.
How was the haunted house?
I don't remember, I didn't look.
Her screaming made me even more scared than I should have been. Now her neck hurts.
Let's go home.
Yeah.
We're done. We did one ride and ate food.
Hey guys, we're back home from hiking in Knoebels and we are
Pooped.
so dead. My legs hurt. I'm sleepy. I drove the whole way. Someone didn't want to help out. But it's alright. We're gonna go rest and then go get dinner. So thanks for joining us on our
Weekend in the life.
our
Hiking adventure.
yeah, thanks for finishing my sentences.
You're
Because
welcome.
I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just so tired right now. So yeah, join us for our next video and we'll see you next time.
Stay hungry.